Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to fix error code 801800002, then let's look at the following options. Now, basically we have to change the values of MDM and MAM. Now, MDM is mobile device management. The system administrators use this to restrict access to certain software, certain apps, or to push certain apps on the system. And MAM, that is mobile application management, where a system administrator, say in a corporate company, will use it to restrict sharing of corporate data between two users and so forth and so on. So we are not supposed to play around with these MDM and MAM. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to contact the system administrator, be there in a company, or if you're using it in a public place like a library or in a school. So contact your system administrator and he should be able to fix the problem for you. Now, if you are the administrator of the system itself, it's your private personal computer, and you're still getting this error message, then what you need to do is you need to click the Windows button and R, which opens the run panel, and you need to use this command msdt.exe space hyphen id space DEVICE DIAGNOSTIC. So let's copy this and we'll paste it here. So that's msdt.exe space hyphen id space device diagnostic. We'll press enter, and here we'll click advanced, that so that it applies repairs automatically, and you click next. So this will detect any problems in your hardware and device and network and will resolve the issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.